Standard 7. Good morning to all of you, and this is the chapter 3 we are going to discuss today in this class, that is formatting and functions in Excel. Okay, about Microsoft Word Excel, you all know that formatting is an important feature in the MS Excel which allows us to make the Excel document look more readable and attractive. Let us go through the chapter to understand how we can format a file in Excel spreadsheets. Okay, how we can see, first we will discuss about this class. We will be talking about the formatting only. Okay, formatting the cells. In this we will cover several persons. 5 I have written here. Okay, that is first one, format cells. Actually, what is formatting cells? We format the cells to make the outline of the spreadsheets in the Excel. Otherwise, it will be difficult to read and read the given data in the table. So, formatting cells and the text draw the attention of the viewer to specific parts of the spreadsheets and make the spreadsheet visually more appealing and more readable. Okay, more appealing and more readable. First we will come to the formatting text. Text, how it is being formatted. Okay, formatting text means the changing of the text. Commanding for the formatting text are available in the font, alignment, number groups on the ribbon. Ribbon, you know, that is on the top portion of the spreadsheets. Okay, font command lets you to change the style, size and color of the text that you have entered. Alignment command lets you to format how the text will be displayed. Text, how it will be displayed on the screen of the computer across the cell, both horizontally and like this vertically. Okay, now come to numbers. Number commands allow you to change how the selected cells will display numbers and dates. Okay, numbers are used in what? Slide numbers, page numbers, dates, times. Okay, and sentence number. Suppose you want to serial number, you want to enter for a documents. There we use the numbers. Okay, alignment, when you want to put it in the left align or middle align or right align, okay, or top or bottom, whatever. Okay, so to change the font type, the following some given steps we have to follow. First one is saying select the cell. Okay, select the cell that contain the text. Second one, click on the home button. Okay, click on the home tab and click on, after home tab, there you click on the font. Okay, there you click on the font option, that drop down the present in the font group. That drop down the font group. Now move your mouse over the various fonts and select that font you want to use, and the selected font type will be applied to the selected cell that you want to insert. Okay, now after entering the text or formatting the text, how to change the font size? Font size, what size of font you want in your documents or in your spreadsheets or in your cells. That is, first you select the cell that contain the text that need to be modified, then click on the font. Okay, drop down arrow, text or next to the present in the font group will be showing in the home tab, and the font size drop down menu will appear. Font size like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. These are the font size. Okay, so the required size, move your mouse to about the font size, and a live preview of the font size will appear in the worksheet, and select the font size that you want to use. Now suppose you selected 12, the font size will be displayed in the spreadsheets, will be all in 12 format. Okay, or in 12 size of format. Next come to using the bold, italic or bold, italic or underline commands. Okay, what are these bold, italic and underline commands? Actually, select the cell first that contains the text that to be modified, okay, and then click on the home tab. You will go to the what? Where? Home tab again. Then there one bold, italic and underline options will be present in the font group. Bold, italic, underline options are present in the font group. Suppose there you move your mouse, then suppose you want to bold, then click on bold. If you want to italic, then click on italic after selecting the text, okay? And if you want to underline, then click on the underline. Then what? Underline options and given below underline selected text will be as per your requirement, they will be converted, okay? So this is how to using the bold, italic and the underline commands. Next, adding the borders. After creating the document, students, many of the students to make a document more attractive and readable. Some students also using the borders, like border like a photo frame. You know that. So to add a border, the following given steps we have to follow. That the first one is cell. Select the cell that you want to be modified. Click on the button border. Drop down arrow will be present in the font group on the home tab, and there drop down the menu will appear, or drop down menu will be appearing there. Now select the desired, you select the desired border styles, it will be applied to the cell, and now the cell will be your border like this, okay? Right, these are the flowers. Like this you can make a border line of a document, right? Next, adding border is finished. Suppose removing the cell borders. You don't want to the cell to be border. How to remove? Again, go to the home tab because already the border is applied. Now we do not have to select the cell. We will directly move into the home border, and then if the font group, click on the button in the font group, click on the button, border drop down arrow will be showing there. If you want to apply custom borders, then custom border style, okay, then click on the more borders. Custom border means that the borders on your desire. Then go to the more border options, format cells, and dialog box will appear, and in the borders tab you can change the line style borders, color style borders of borders using the various options. Okay, this is all about the removing cell borders. Next one is saying changing the font color. Suppose the font or the text, okay, font or the text, they are entered, they are in the what? They are entered in the black colors, okay, black colors. So that color we want to change. Now what we have to do is that select the cell that you want to be modified and click on the font color option. Now a drop down menu will appear there, and from there you select your colors. From the home tab the color menu will appear. Select the font color that you want to use. If you want to use more colors, then again you can go to the more colors options to change the color of the font. Okay, you can click there. After that, okay, color will be applied. Okay, like this you will see in the where in the screen of the computers. Okay, now adding the color to the cell. Now how to add the color to the cell, not to the font, not to the text. Okay, select the cell that you want to fill the colors. Click on the fill colors. Drop down menu will appear like this. Okay, in front of the group home tab the color menu will appear, and select the color that you want to use. It will be applied to the selected cells, right? Suppose you want to next step, that is how to adding color to the cell. Next step is removing colors from cell. How to remove the colors from the cell? Okay, to remove color from the cells, select the cell from which you want to remove the color. Then on the home tab in the font group, click the fill color option. A drop down menu will appear as well. Click on no color fill or no fill options. The color will be removed from the selected cell. and the colored cell will be all like previously that we heard it. Okay. And last one is what we were telling about the alignment. Yes, alignment I was telling. Alignments means what? Alignments are of horizontal alignment or vertical alignment. Okay, vertical alignment. For horizontal alignment. Okay. For horizontal alignment, select the cell that you want to modify. Then select one of the 3 horizontal options present in the alignment group on the home tab. Alignment text left. That means text will be selected on the selected text will be aligned on the left side of the spreadsheet. Center means center, you can click on the center. Selected cell or the text will be aligned at the center of the spreadsheet. And the align text right means by clicking on that, the cell will be aligned on the right of the spreadsheets. Okay. Now this is how to alignment. Changing the vertical alignment. Similarly here also, select the cell that you want to modify. Select one of the 3 vertical alignment color options from home tab. Top alignment, middle alignment and bottom alignment. And as usually you can use them. Okay. Formatting numbers and dates, they are important. Formatting numbers and dates, because we always like to the date on which date the file is made or it is saved or whatever editing has been done. Okay, so these are necessary. So to format the numbers and the date, the given steps that we have to follow is that is select the cell first that you want to modify cell, and then click on the number format. Okay, on the number format, then a drop down menu will be appear here. Drop down menu will be appear. Okay, drop down menu will be appearing here. In the present group or the number group home tab, select the number or the date from this. Select the number or date format that you want to apply. Okay, you can select the number or the date format that you want to apply. Then after clicking on that, the selected number and date that you want to apply will be applied to the respected or the correspondent document or spreadsheets. Okay, students, this is all about the formatting cells, and the next class tomorrow I will discuss about the function in Excel. Okay, thank you. See you in the next videos, and Jai Hind.